Hi, I'm Susie Rhodes with Passmasters. Welcome to this week's Questions of the Week. This week, we're going to go over questions from the health insurance portion of the Life and Health exam related to policy provisions, clauses, and riders. Let's get started. Matt has purchased a health insurance policy that the insurance company can cancel at any time with proper notice. What has he purchased? A non-cancelable policy, a non-renewable policy, an optionally renewable policy, or a cancelable policy? Well, right in the question, it has that word cancel. So that means that you can get rid of everything that says anything to do with renewability. Matt has purchased a cancelable policy. So you select what you believe is the correct answer, click check answer. I know I got it right because I got the green check mark. You can click show explanation. You can read the rationale and you can also listen. Matt has purchased a health insurance policy. All of our questions have full audio explanations. Victoria received her new health insurance policy on December 10th. She returned it to her agent December 18th. Which of the following is true? She will have coverage for 8 days. She will receive half of her premium back. She has exercised her free look. She must have a valid reason why she returned the policy. You can return your policy for any reason, no reason at all. She has exercised her free look. Raphael submitted notice of claim to his insurance company. How long do they have to provide him with claims forms? There's a mantra you need to know. It goes 20, 15, 90, 60, up to 3 years. So first, Raphael had to submit notice of claim, 20. The insurance company has to provide the claims forms within 15 days. Laura has been totally disabled for just over 6 months now. She should be aware of which of the following riders: future income rider, guaranteed insurability, waiver of premium, or accidental death benefit. Well, it has nothing to do with accidental death benefit or buying more insurance. Waiver of premium rider. If she has this rider, she has satisfied the 6-month waiting period, and her premiums will be waived going forward for as long as she is totally disabled. Which is correct regarding a health insurance policy's time limit on certain defenses provision? It protects the insurer by allowing a claim to be contested for any reason at any time. It lasts for 1 year. It is longer on group health than individual policies. It says that after 2 years, the policy can only be contested for fraud. That is the correct answer. The time limit on certain defenses. Health insurance is always contestable for fraud, but during the first 2 years may be contested. After 2 years, only for fraud. Which of the following is not true about the insuring clause found in an A&H policy? It specifies the mode of payment. It lists the names of the insurer and the insured. It states that a loss must result directly from an accident or sickness. It states the type of policy purchased. So what is not true? It specifies the mode of payment. Mode of payment is how frequently the premium is paid. So the insuring clause does not specify the mode of payment. All of the other items would be found in the insuring clause. Margot is reinstating a lapsed health insurance policy. Which of the following is true? There is a 10-day probationary period for illnesses. There is a 10-day probationary period for accidents. She is covered as of the date she applied for reinstatement. The insurer must accept the reinstatement application. They don't have to accept the reinstatement application. When accepted, there is a 10-day probationary period. It only applies, however, to illnesses. There is no such thing as a pre-existing accident. Jennifer is reading the first page of her health insurance policy. She would find all of the following except. So what is not on the first page of her health insurance policy? Parties to the contract, the exclusions, effective date of coverage, the coverage. What's not on the first page? The exclusions. The exclusions are found in the back of the policy, the items that are not covered. Tony has a history of back injuries. He has applied for a disability income policy. Which of the following is the underwriter most likely to do? Deny his application, issue the policy, add an impairment rider to the policy, require a 12-month probationary period. Most likely to add an impairment rider to his policy. The impairment rider would take away coverage for a specified medical condition. Which of the following is true regarding pre-existing conditions under the Affordable Care Act? Insurers must issue policies to people with pre-existing conditions. Persons that have diabetes will not be able to get health coverage. Persons with pre-existing conditions can be charged higher premiums. Pregnancy is allowed to be excluded as a pre-existing condition. Under the Affordable Care Act, insurers must issue policies to people with pre-existing conditions. That's pretty cool. Where is the insurance company's promise to pay found? In the exclusions, in the time limit on certain defenses clause, in the insuring agreement, in the probationary period. The insurance company's promise to pay is found in the insuring agreement. Eric's health insurance policy lapsed 45 days ago. What policy provision would allow him to pay his premium again? Grace period, time limit on certain defenses, time payment of claims, or reinstatement. If Eric applies and is accepted, he is able to reinstate his policy. He will be required to pay all back premiums and interest. Melissa's monthly health insurance premium was due 7/1. She forgot to pay her premium. On 7/8, she went to the doctor. Her health insurer paid some of the claim under which mandatory policy provision? Mode of premium payment, reinstatement, grace period, payment of claims. For health insurance policies, the grace period is tied to mode of payment. If you pay your premium weekly, you have a 7-day grace period. Monthly, 10 days. Group and any other method of payment is a 31-day grace period. So Melissa forgot to pay her premium on the 1st, went to the doctor on the 8th. She is in her grace period. A health insurance policy's insuring clause includes the offer and acceptance, the riders, the insurer's promise to pay, the exclusions. A health insurance policy's insuring clause includes the insurer's promise to pay. Due to the Affordable Care Act, when buying a new individual medical expense policy, the maximum probationary period is which of the following? 2 years, 0, 1 year, or 10 days. Under the Affordable Care Act, there can be no pre-existing conditions, no probationary period. See how we did? Oh, great job. Thank you so much for playing with me. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn those notifications on. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments below. If you'd like to check out past master's course offerings or to enroll in any of our programs, there is a link in this video's description. Thank you so much for watching. Keep up the good work. You got this. Study, 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 pass.